Another day, another repair. We have a Samsung dryer, rose gold. Let's see the part model number. Will you DVE 52A5500C. So it's not started. The lights come up, the power come on, but it's not started. So nothing, a clicking noise. It doesn't matter, any cycle we try. So if you have one of these and nothing, so let's fix this one. Before I go ahead, there's I'm talking about 3 most common problem on any Samsung, most Samsung dryer. So let's take apart. While I'm taking apart, test one by one, and I will show you which part you have to test it. Stay with me. So we can start it from here. We can remove it. 1, 2, and here one right here. So now you need a potty knife. Slap this one off. There you go. I make it difficult. Then remove these 3. Then you can disconnect this one. Now we can remove these 3 and okay. We can lift it up. So pay attention, hold with one hand, then you can slowly move that one. So these are gonna break from here really quick. Okay, so let the door be closed the way it is. So this is the first thing we have to check. So put your multimeter to the ohm or continuity setting, so just like that. So we can touch left to right. Okay, you see that there's no there's nothing, but let's open it now. And so we can go with left. Just continue. So we good as long as you hear beep noise and the door is off, the door is open. I mean, if the lead switch was on, if you hear continuity, that means you have a faulty one and you have to replace that. So we good with door switch. So we can remove the fan. So then remove these 4 first. And here is one right here. We can lift it up and put it down. So belt gonna be the second. If you have a broken belt, all come from still you have a belt on it, but the pulley, the elder pulley will break or get loose, so that's going to be the second option. So in this case, these 2 we good on these 2, so we can remove that. It's still and now we hopefully find the issue here. So as you can see, if the belt or looses never goes to it's never started. We check the door switch, our belt is okay, all their pulley is okay. So now we check the So put your multimeter on ohm setting continuity so you can hear beep. Okay, so we have a bad thermal fuse, we need to replace that one. So I'm here, I'm check these off, and so here's the screw. We need to remove that one. This is blow up, so we need to put a new one. So now we can test it before we put it on. Okay, we hear beep, and the bad one, nothing. So we can put this one. It's just like inside, slap in, put your little screw on. Now we can tighten it up. Okay, just like this. So we're done for that one. So I'm gonna clean up here, put everything back. Stay with me. If you get value from this video, the only way you can help me, give me a like, subscribe, leave me a comment if you have any question about it, and I will try my best to reply as soon as I can. So stay with me. This is how we remove that belt and put it back. So if it's hooked up already, so you have to push it back to the left and release it. Same way. So if you want to put it back, this is gonna goes like this. Push it and put it. That's how you put it. Thank you. So it's clean. We can start with drum. Around the pulley, you will get a video on them. So how to put it back, push it to the left and hook it up to the motor pulley. So once we're done with that one, get your front drum assembly. So these two rulers goes under the drum and lift it up. This is how you can put it easy. Okay, that's it. Okay, so we can connect. So we need to put these 5 screws, one here, and 4 gonna go for the front drum assembly. So once we're done, so we're ready, everything is, so make sure everything's good. We can bring this one up same way, just hold it with one hand. You don't need to break that apart. Slap it in. So in most cases I just put it on side because I have a room, but your case may be different, so you just need to disconnect the dorsal wire so we can connect these off. Now we can bring it a little down. Switch wires. So everything is here good, and now we need to put those 3 screws back here. Okay, I don't want to miss any. If so, I still have few of these. So lift it up. 1, 2, and 1 here. We can push that one down. So, and we almost done, and we will check for last thing. Okay, flatter here. Now we're ready for test. So we can check it. Problem solved. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next videos.